Hey guys, Andre here from Novoresume. Today I will talk to you about resume templates and why using one can make your life so much easier.
Career Advice by Novoresume.
So first things first, what is a resume template and why should you even use one? Well, a resume template is a pre-designed, customizable document that you can use to create a professional job-winning resume. By using a template, you seriously speed up your entire resume writing process and the end results even look so much better. Now, let's talk about why resume templates are so helpful. A, they make the whole process of creating a resume fast and easy. B, they can help you get a personalized yet professional looking resume. And C, they are ATS-friendly. Let's analyze these one by one. If you've ever tried making a resume from scratch before, you probably already know how time-consuming the formatting part can be. Before you can even start filling your contents, you need to tweak your margins, adjust the font size, make sure everything fits into one page, and so on, the boring stuff. But when you're using a predefined template though, you don't have to worry about any of this. All you need to do is input your information and you're good to go. Also, templates come in all shapes and sizes, like all the jobs. You can pick among different colors, formats, and styles depending on the industry, career level, or type of job you're applying for. With a template, your resume is guaranteed to look professional while still making it easy for you to personalize it according to your needs. Finally, the resume templates are ATS-friendly.
What are you talking about?
An applicant tracking system, it's a software that collects, scans, and filters through applications. Today, over 98% of Fortune 500 companies use ATS to disqualify irrelevant candidates automatically. If your resume contains too many graphics, infographics, or is simply not formatted effectively, there's a very large likelihood that the applicant tracking system won't be able to read it and will discard it automatically. If you're using an ATS-friendly resume template though, the chances of this happening are pretty much zero. Simple and effective, right? That said, not every template is going to be as helpful. When you hear the word template, chances are that you're thinking about Microsoft Word resume templates. While very popular, Word templates are actually fairly weak. For starters, Word templates are visually speaking very generic and bland. This means that if you use a Word template, your resume will, not look very original. For example, which of these two templates do you think it's more likely to make an impression to the hiring manager reading your resume? Well, correct, it's the one on the right. The text-based editor templates are also hard to personalize and edit. For example, if you've ever used a Word template, which most of you used, you know what we're talking about. You try to edit a template section on a Word resume and the entire layout spills on the next page and everything messes up. And most importantly, the Word templates are a bit outdated. Microsoft Word is not designed to be a resume builder. It's clunky and it can be annoying and the end result just won't look that great. I still remember making the first resume as a student in Microsoft Word and it was not a fun experience, I can tell you that. If you want a resume template that's easier to edit, more visually attractive and free, you should try Novoresume. Our resume builder comes with up to 16 different customizable resume templates that you can choose from. And here's what makes our templates stand out. First off, they are super easy to personalize and edit. You can easily add and remove sections, change the style and size of the font, and play around with the headers, all of this without having to worry about your resume spilling over to page 2 or spending hours in front of your computer screen. Our templates are also very consistent with industry trends and requirements. They were created actually in collaboration with industry-leading HR professionals. And what this means is that all our templates are the right length, have the most attention-grabbing font and font size, and so on. And on top of that, the templates are also ATS-friendly. Each and every Novoresume template you choose from is designed to pass the ATS. They are not too visually heavy and are also saved as a text-based PDF file, ensuring that they can easily be read by applicant tracking system and will also look the same no matter what operating system they are viewed on. Last but not least, our templates are created with every field in mind. Are you working in a conservative industry, for example, like banking or finance? Well, you can use one of our traditional resume templates. They are simple and professional looking without going too much overboard with creativity and visual elements. And with these kind of resume templates, you'll be letting your achievements do the talking. But what about if you're working in the creative industry as a designer or filmmaker? Well, then you'll want to pick a more creative and visual template. Our templates, like the creative and hybrid, are more vibrant and very likely to catch the hiring manager's attention. And if none of these templates fit your style, well, don't worry. There are many other resume templates to choose from. Simply head over to novoresume.com and create your own job-winning resume template. Thanks everyone for watching our video, and I hope you found it useful and interesting. And good luck with your job hunt, and see you soon.
Career advice by Novoresume.
Ta-da! No.